Hey guys, PhantomZettonX18 here with another video, and today I'm going to do another toy review. Now it's been a while since I've done this. If you've seen on my channel, on my community tab, you'll see that Ultraman Ginga kind of won the next toy review, or people wanting me to review on next, from the Ultraman loot or box thing that I got from this friend of mine named TokuFish. You should really thank him and I'm gonna give him a shout out. So go check out his Instagram, his YouTube channel, and yeah, tell him I say thanks, because without him I wouldn't have done this review. So yeah, let's look at the community tab. King Joe Black had 10%. The Ultra Monster series Hans Gairan, sorry if I cannot pronounce that, had 4%. The Lightning Collection Mighty Morphin Pink Ranger got 3%. The Ultra Hero series Ginga Storium got 81%, and a small Rodan figure got 3%. So yeah, with that all of the way, let's take a look at the tag. Well, unfortunately, I don't have the tag. The figure just came itself without the tag, but I do got like Arizona iced tea. Arizona iced tea with lemon flavor. So yeah, tastes good. Tastes really good. Anyways, sorry if I'm copying Go here, but I really like him. Anyways, so yeah, this figure has no tag. It just came to the mail like this. And let's take a look at the details up close. Hang on, let me just zoom in so you can take a good look at that detail of his. Now, as an Ultra Hero series figure, this is very nice. I didn't pick up this figure back in like 2014 or 13. I don't know what year it was when Ginga S released and this figure released, but it should say on the foot 2014, yeah. I think that's the year when I got into Ultraman and watched Ginga, the original series, and then I never saw Ginga S, but I knew it was existed and listened to some of their songs. So yeah, let's take a look at the head design. Nice green for the forehead, for the laser beam that Taro had. Nice gold details. You can see that 3 of these dots are painted gold and the others are not painted gold. I don't know what they did there, but that's the standard Ultra Hero series painting. Nice chest design. I really like that design. He also has the Taro armor. I like how this area, I mean, there's some silver paint missing. I like how this area specifically reminds me a lot of Ultra 7. I know it's supposed to be Ultraman Taro, but I like how it looks a lot like Ultra 7. So yeah, nice design on the feet. Let's take a look at the arms. Same detailing, and it even has the Ginga Storium brace, or I think that's the name of it. It's been a while since I've seen it. Nice detailed. Nothing on the other arms, just the same thing. Blue for the crystals, stuff like that. Nice metallic blue. This one does not have the blue metallic paint, and of course, nothing in the back. So yeah, guys, for articulation wise, his arm moves 360. Same for the other arm. Waist can move 360 as well. I'm gonna move it back. And no, that's it. That's all for articulation and paint wise. So yeah, and that's pretty much it for this figure. We gotta do some comparisons. Here he is with Ultraman, not Ultraman, King Joe Custom, since Ginga Storium used 7's powers to destroy King Joe. Here he is with Studio Series Deluxe Ratchet, for those Transformers fans. Just for the heck of it, here he is with Black King and Knuckle, Alien Knuckle. Hang on. Here he is with the original Ultraman Ginga figure. This is not my original one. This is actually my 3rd copy of the figure. I lost my first one at a movie theater. I don't know why I did that. And I turned my second one, which had a long arm, into a customized hand, pretty much. So yeah, guys, you can see the difference between these two figures alone. I don't know why. This one kind of seems taller than this one. Oh yeah, they both have life scans. Hang on, let me get into that real quick. Got my... Yeah, I have the Ginga Spark, surprisingly. Can you believe this? A Ginga Spark video in 2020. Mind blown. Anyways, let's do this real quick. So it just says Ginga. So what does the other one do? So it says Ultraman Taro. I forgot. I don't have the Storium brace. I don't have it, unfortunately. But I'm gonna try to do this. Hang on. Does it work? Ah, it doesn't work. Darn it. I thought it would work. Sorry guys, I haven't used my Ginga S or Ginga Storium, or I haven't used my Ginga Spark in a while. Oh yeah, talking about Taro. Here he is with Ultraman Taro and Ultraman Taiga. Look at that. They all have braces. Awesome. Anyways. And I think that's it. So yeah guys, what do I think about this figure overall? Personally, it's a great figure. Good figure for your collection, especially if you're a Ginga fan or a Ultra Hero series collector and trying to collect all Ultraman figures and stuff like that. And for this figure, for the most part, paint-wise, decent for what it is. For any criticisms I have with this figure, is overall just like some silver paint right here and some here on the arms, and a little bit of good paint on the brace itself and blue paint for the for the crystals. He almost fell. So yeah, guys, that's all. This figure is good and stuff like that. So yeah, hope you guys like this video. Like, comment, subscribe, hit the notification bell so you don't miss a video, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye, guys. Be sure to follow me on Twitter and Instagram as well. See ya. One figure down, 4 to go. So, I'll post another community tab on my channel later on after this video is uploaded, and I'll let you guys know which figure you want me to do a review on next. Vote for either the small rodent figure, Hazuki, and I forgot, sorry, the Mighty Morphin Pink Ranger, or King Joe Black. I'd like to see what you guys pick, which one I would like to do a review on next, and I'll do a review on it when I have the time. Yeah, so yeah, guys, bye.